Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL 20 Pro 5G. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, you need to select Receive on TCL and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with one photo. Choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on TCL, choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a minute. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into some kind of Files app, clicking on, in my case, Images, and tapping on, over here, and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!